Slit the fish from both the sides. Add 1 lemon juice and salt. Marinate the juice with the fish well, cover it and keep it. Now quickly chop 1 onion, ginger and few garlic. Put it in the mixture to form a paste. Now in a big bowl, add 2 tablespoons hang curd and onion paste. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, crushed black pepper half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon mustard oil. Mix all the spices well. Put the fish one by one and cover it with the spices well. Put the charcoal in the flame. Once it's red, take it out. Put it in a bowl, place it inside the big bowl, add ghee and cover it so that the smoky smell of charcoal gets into the fish. In a grill pan, brush butter and put the fish. Brush butter. Change the side of the fish. Fry the fish properly. Now in the grill stand, put the fish for few seconds on both the sides. Put it back to the pan. Place the charcoal and cover it for a couple of minutes. Enjoy the fish with green salad.